tapping into the Foster School after graduating from the MSIS program allows me to build my network. Foster is very unique in that it brings in a diverse background and unique personalities. The MSIS program, the students, it's very concentrated. Everybody is like very interested in business and tech together. And so you already have that as a common ground. And we not only worked together on our assignments and the projects and the presentations, but we also made time to get to know each other outside of class. So we would go grab lunches and dinners and do working sessions here on the weekends, and still good friends with today, and we still keep in touch.
The learning environment and culture of MSIS is very open, friendly, inclusive, and collaborative. I was very surprised how everyone was trying to help each other. I never felt like afraid to, state my opinion or say something or raise a hand.
So the format of the MSIS is separated to two cohorts. One is purple, one is gold, and I was in the purple cohort. At that time, my team was perfect. It has someone super good at coding, me as a product manager and business related, and also someone from financial background. So it actually triggers a lot of innovation idea, creative ideas. So I love how the program put us together.
The MSIS program is sitting in such a nice location in Seattle, a tech hub, where you have access to so many wonderful companies and give you access to the technology industry where nowhere else you can get it before. And even with that, you have so many access to your alumni network here, right? For me personally, it continues to open different doors for me. I greatly benefited from that.